I found these two drawers on the side of the road. Someone had thrown them out and put a free sign on them. So I picked them up thinking I could make something with them and decided to make a spice rack, a rolling spice rack for my daughter's house. So first thing I did was scrub them down with some bleach cleaner, and then I needed to cut off the little lip so that I could put the drawers together and so that they would sit flush on top of one another. So then I lined up the drawers, one on top of the other, and screwed them together. Now I need to add some shelves to make this a spice rack, so I measured how wide, and I found a scrap board that was left over from something in the house. So I'm trying to use everything that we already have for all these projects that we're working on. So I cut these boards down to the measurement. Then I figured out the spacing that I wanted for each shelf. I'm making these so that they're permanent. I'm going to screw them in from the sides, but you could also make these with adjustable shelves if you wanted, just by using the little shelf pegs that you can buy. These are the only thing that I bought new for this project. They're little tiny rolling wheels, and so I put them on the bottom, 4 of them, which seems like overkill, but you don't want your spice rack to tip over, so you need 4 wheels. And there we go. Now it's got all the little shelves and the wheels, and it rolls perfect. And then I added some dowels across the fronts. I drilled all the way through the right side where you see me inserting these, and then just halfway through the left, and then I glued them. And even these dowels are recycled. I scrounged these from my mom and dad's house. And then we painted it with leftover paint. The green is leftover from the kitchen island that we're working on, and then the white is leftover from the loft bedroom. And then I added a handle to it. This is one of our leftover drawer pulls from the new hardware we added to the kitchen cupboards. And here's our cute little finished rolling spice rack. It slides right in between the stove and the refrigerator in that skinny little space.